നമസ്കാരം. മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റിൻ്റെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നിവിടെ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഡിഗ്രി പ്രിലിംസ് എക്സാമിൽ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്ന ചില ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. The Wright brothers invented dash aeroplane. The Wright brothers invented dash aeroplane. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി The Wright brothers invented the aeroplane. Dash I carry your bag. Dash I carry your bag. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി Shall I carry your bag? Even though Johnson & Johnson dash consumers not to insert Q-tips into their ears, people refuse to read directions and frequently puncture their eardrums. Even though Johnson & Johnson dash consumers not to insert Q-tips into their ears, people refuse to read directions and frequently puncture their eardrums. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി warns. Even though Johnson & Johnson warns consumers not to insert Q-tips in their ears, people refuse to read directions and frequently puncture their eardrums. The superlative degree of few girls in the class are as clever as Susie is. The superlative degree of few girls in the class are as clever as Susie is. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി Susie is one of the cleverest girls in the class. Susie is one of the cleverest girls in the class. The superlative degree of few girls in the class are as clever as Susie is. Susie is one of the cleverest girls in the class. I really like action movies, but you can't stand them. Dash. I really like action movies, but you can't stand them. Dash. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി Can you? I really like action movies, but you can't stand them. Can you? The teacher said to Nilofer, you have to learn your grammar. The teacher said to Nilofer, you have to learn your grammar. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ The teacher told Nilofer that she had to learn her grammar. The teacher said to Nilofer, you have to learn your grammar. The teacher told Nilofer that she had to learn her grammar. He usually dash coffee, but today he dash tea. He usually dash coffee, but today he dash tea. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി He usually drinks coffee, but today he is drinking tea. He usually drinks coffee, but today he is drinking tea. It seems that someone cleaned the office on Tuesday. Convert into passive voice. It seems that someone cleaned the office on Tuesday. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി It seems that the office was cleaned on Tuesday. It seems that someone cleaned the office on Tuesday. Convert into passive voice. Answer. It seems that the office was cleaned on Tuesday. Take this photo. Dash you can remember me. Take this photo. Dash you can remember me. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി So that. Take this photo so that you can remember me. Take this photo so that you can remember me. Smoke filled the room. Convert into passive voice. Smoke filled the room. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി The room was filled with smoke. The room was filled with smoke. Smoke filled the room. Convert into passive voice. The room was filled with smoke. This is the market. Dash the vegetables are sold. This is the market. Dash the vegetables are sold. ശരി ഉത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി Where. This is the market where the vegetables are sold. This is the market where the vegetables are sold. Although he was wealthy and educated, he never made a name. Although he was wealthy and educated, he never made a name. Convert into a compound sentence. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. He was wealthy and educated, yet he never made a name. He was wealthy and educated, yet he never made a name. My best friend lives in dash Bellad Road. My best friend lives dash Bellad Road. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ഓൺ. My best friend lives on Bellad Road. My best friend lives on Bellad Road. Well, I don't think I will be home before 6. In this sentence, well is an dash. Well, I don't think I will be home before 6. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ interjection. I'm afraid I have charged you too much. Dash sorry about that. I'm afraid I have charged you too much. Dash sorry about that. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി by mistake. I am afraid I have charged you too much. By mistake, sorry about that. I am afraid I have charged you too much. By mistake, sorry about that. When will you finish dash your dinner? When will you finish dash your dinner? ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ eating. When will you finish eating your dinner? When will you finish eating your dinner? Synonym of uncompromising. Synonym of uncompromising. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി inflexible. Synonym of uncompromising is inflexible. The chairman pulled a long face when the House didn't accept the suggestions put forth by him. Choose the correct meaning of the idiom. The chairman pulled a long face when the House didn't accept the suggestion put forth by him. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ looked disappointed. The correct meaning of the idiom pull a long face means looked disappointed. Choose the correctly spelled word. Choose the correctly spelled word. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. The correctly spelled word is option C. Find out the error part, if any. Find out the error part. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ സി. And never you will get it back. Double entendre means ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി. A word or phrase with two possible interpretation. Double entendre means a word or phrase with two possible interpretations. A person who is bad at spelling. A person who is bad at spelling. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ cacographist. A person who is bad at spelling is cacographist. This street dash very dark until the new lights were installed. This street dash very dark until the new lights were installed. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി used to be. This street used to be very dark until the new lights were installed. If you heat ice, it dash. If you heat ice, it dash. ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ melts. If you heat ice, it melts. If you heat ice, it melts. The antonym of fragrance is ശരിയുത്തരം ഓപ്ഷൻ എ stink. The antonym of fragrance is stink.